Have you ever considered starting your own online business without investing in inventory? Also, imagine selling a wide variety of products without spending a cent on inventory or logistics. If this sounds too good to be true, stay with us because we're going to show you how to sell without inventory on the internet, exploring the best alternatives and strategies to make money online in a practical and efficient way. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking for new ways to increase your income, this guide will show you the right path. Before we show you the options, it is important to explain what it means to sell without inventory. In short, in a traditional sales model, the entrepreneur buys the products before selling them, stores them, and then sends them to customers when there is an order or purchase. This implies storage and logistics costs, and of course, the need to invest money in advance to buy the products to have in stock. In this way, selling without inventory, on the other hand, involves selling products that you do not physically keep. In other words, when a customer buys something in your online store, you acquire the product directly from a supplier who can ship it directly to the customer or even to you if necessary. This way, you eliminate or drastically reduce inventory and storage costs. And out of curiosity, have you ever worked without inventory? Comment here with us. So, with that in mind, let's show you the 4 main ways to sell without inventory. 1. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is one of the most well-known sales models without inventory. In it, you create an online store where you display products from suppliers, but you don't need to buy them in advance. When a customer places an order, you pass that product order on to the supplier who takes care of shipping it directly to the buyer. In other words, you never physically handle the product. Advantages of dropshipping. Since you only buy the products after the customer has already paid for them, there is no need to make large capital investments. And with suppliers taking care of shipping and inventory, you can focus on marketing, customer service, and store optimization. Thus, with dropshipping, you can offer a wide variety of products without worrying about the cost of storing them. Disadvantages of dropshipping. Since you don't buy the products in large quantities, you don't get the best wholesale prices. Therefore, you depend on the supplier to ensure that the product is shipped correctly and on time. Since you do not see the product, it can be difficult to ensure that it meets the quality standards promised to the customer. That is why it is very important to understand well what you are selling and whether it really has the expected quality. 2. Affiliate marketing. Another way to sell without inventory is to work with affiliate marketing. In this model, you don't need to have your online store. Instead, you sign up for an affiliate program of companies that sell products or services and promote those products on your website, blog, social media, or even via email. When someone purchases through your affiliate link, you receive a commission on the sales. Advantages of affiliate marketing. You only worry about promoting the products without having to deal with shipping or customer service. At the same time, there is no need to buy products or maintain inventory. In addition, you can promote a wide range of products from different companies, adjusting your offers according to the audience. Disadvantages of affiliate marketing. As an affiliate, your income depends on commissions, which are usually low percentages of sales. Added to this, since you are only promoting the products, any problems with shipping or product quality indirectly affect your reputation. So, if you want to know more about this model, write affiliate marketing in the comments. If you have enough comments, we will be happy to develop content on this subject for you. 3. On-demand production. In this model, you sell customized products that are produced only when there is an order. For example, you can sell t-shirts, mugs, cell phone cases, and posters with designs created by you or by hired designers. When a customer places an order, the supplier creates the product and sends it directly to each customer. Advantages of on-demand production. You can create unique and personalized products, which can increase the value perceived by customers. Likewise, since products are made on demand, you don't run the risk of buying items that won't be sold. After all, customers have already paid in advance. Currently, several platforms integrate with e-commerce stores, making operations easier. Disadvantages of on-demand production. In many cases, the cost per unit is higher, which can limit your profit. From the same point of view, the quality of the product and the production time depend on the supplier. This makes it more difficult to control the time in which the customer will receive the purchased product. 4th, resale of digital products. If you want to completely avoid physical products, another alternative is to sell digital products, such as online courses, ebooks, software, or graphic designs, or even services such as online consulting. In the same way, you can create your digital products or resell third-party products as an affiliate, as explained above. Advantages of digital products. Since the products are digital, customers receive them immediately after purchase, usually through a link with access to the product. Furthermore, after creating the product, if applicable, you can sell it without incurring new production costs, since they are digital products. In other words, there are no expenses for new printing, changing materials. Since the costs are low when compared to physical products, the profit margin can also be higher. Disadvantages of digital products. If you choose to create your digital products, you will need to invest time and effort to create something of value. Unlike third-party products, when they are already ready, there is no need to develop them. Furthermore, the digital product market is quite competitive. Therefore, you will need to differentiate yourself to be successful. But this is something that also happens with physical products. In short, what we show here are some alternatives for how to sell without inventory. This is a widely used practice that has been gaining ground, and it still has a lot of potential to grow. However, having inventory is not always something more complex or harmful. Quite the opposite. The most important thing is to understand the main types of inventories and how to work with it in the best possible way for your business. And just to recap what we talked about here: drop shipping, affiliate marketing, on-demand production, digital product resale.
We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to know more about how to set up and manage your own business, visit our YouTube channel where we have several videos about this subject, and if you liked it, share this video with your friends and family to help them too. Thanks and see you next time.